Alrighty guys, this here's a John Deere LA110 42-inch deck. And I have to put a spindle in it. You'll see why it's doing that when I take it off. And I have to put blades on it, which we will get to momentarily. This is, oh, and they didn't include bolts. How about it? This is a replacement spindle. It's from Oregon. It's good enough for me. Hope it's the right one. I'll find out. It better be the right one. But we're gonna get started because I got to replace the spindle. I already took the blades off. One of them was actually bent. So we're gonna use a 15/16 to take this top pulley off. Make sure my gun is in the right direction. Of course, it's gonna be stubborn. Those look like the right threads. I'm going to make sure this will screw on with the new spindle, and it will, so that's good. We're going to go ahead and take the pulley off, and then we're going to switch to an air ratchet to do the rest. Oh joy, pulley's not coming off because it's fused down on in there. I don't have to get a pulley, but we'll get it off. Okay, so we're going to get this pulley off. It's kind of stuck. There we go. It'll work. So I knocked the shaft out. You can see this spindle's tore up. And there's that. So now we got to take these 4 bolts out, which I hope you all can see. Yeah, y'all can see good enough. And I'm going to use a handy dandy air ratchet. Now these are 10 millimeter. Yep, 10 millimeter. This thing's very loud. But I don't have my adapter. I'm pretty sure the new spindle doesn't have threads in it, so we'll save them bolts. It's very loud. I don't know if, no, I don't need that because that's part of the bearing. There goes the air compressor. Real hot. Move the camera a second, and I'm going to lift this deck up and get this old spindle out from here. Yep, that's why it's getting replaced. Alright, if we look at the bottom here, it's not supposed to look like that. Everything up in there is destroyed. Here's what's left of the shaft and bearings. They're completely destroyed, as you can see. So we're going to get the new spindle. And I am correct, it does not have threads, so I have to cut threads before installing the new spindle, which that's no big deal. These are self-tapping bolts that go in the spindle. You want to make sure it's going in the top. You want to line the bolts up like this. It's like 1,000,000,000 degrees out, and it's the middle of September, and it's like 30-something degrees out. But, alright, let's get these threads cut. Let's get it down here on the ground where I got more leverage. Yeah, it's shaking. Alright, then what we do is we make sure it's all the way, and it is, and back it out. Alright, this thing's going on the air ratchet. And as you can see, it did cut threads. You can see the threads in there. There's what it looks like without threads. And you figured they'd send new bolts, but they didn't. But hey, I'm not complaining. That's the old spindle, it's junk. There's a couple bolts that I got missing. Where'd I put them bolts? it's time to do the blades, which I'll open up on camera. I reckon there's nothing else better to do. So we'll turn the camera down this way and we'll open up this nice package they sent me. High Parts Supplier, that is. And these blades are also from Oregon. Get all the packing material out of the way. Here they are. Oregon. Nice and sharp too. Oregon blades. And we're going to put them on right now. John Deere, this one here, has a 7-point star connector. So you see there, you got to line it up just like that. Line them stars up. It's called a 7-load or something like that. We're going to get our blade bolts and washer, which the washer goes on first, and then the blade, and this is again a 15/16 nut. Oops. And then go ahead and get our hefty impact. Make sure it's on there. Put that on there. And secure it. Perfect. Alright, now do the other blade. Another thing is, orientation doesn't matter. As long as you put the blade on the correct way, it will work just fine. Alright, so we're going to get this blade on. This will take no time. This one here, this spindle's alright. See, I can put this blade on this way, I can put it on this way, and the other blade is facing like this. It really don't matter how you put it on, they all spin the same way. Almost forgot, big round washer goes on first. Then you put the lock, well, not a lock nut, you put the nut on. They're fine thread. Alright, so we're going to take our impact. That concludes this video on replacing a spindle on a John Deere LA110 deck. This deck here is also used on the D series. This deck's got a huge crack in it too, if you all can see that right there. That is actually a crack, but a customer did not want me to weld that. They just wanted the spindle fixed and the blades, and for me to put the belt on right, because they routed the belt through both idler pulleys in a loop where the belt is rubbing on it, and I'm surprised it didn't burn it up. But anyways, I'm going to pull them more around here. There'll be a separate video on how to route the deck belt, which is next. And anyways, guys, over and out.